Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dario here with another Options to Play video update. A quick thing I wanted to point out, kind of like a rumination here of just things I'm seeing, right, as earnings season goes along. Um, One of the kind of like early patterns, if you will, that's developing is sell the news and some of these recently strong beneficiaries of the stay-at-home trend or the stocking up trend, right? And you know, if it happens in one name, it could be an anomaly. It could just be a one-off, right? If it happens twice, then you're saying, oh, well, maybe there's something here. Three times, four times, then you're definitely saying, okay, a legitimate pattern is forming, right? So this morning, Domino's, they beat handily, right? This was one of the stocks that was perceived to be a beneficiary of people staying at home, right? Ordering out, getting delivery, right? And as it turns out, it was. The numbers were excellent, a very, very strong quarter. But what you'll notice is the stock went into the earnings at the 52-week high, all-time high actually, and then it got hit hard, even though they had a very strong print, right? Citrix, another name, same idea. I mean, it's not a restaurant stock; it's a software name, but a beneficiary of people working from home went into earnings at a 52-week high, and then got hit hard today, even though they had an absolute blowout print. Right earlier in the week, Netflix went into its earnings basically right at a 52-week high. Right, again, blowout earnings. What happened? Netflix traded lower. Right, so three names, three prominent names this week that have now traded red after blowout numbers, right? And that's got to really start to factor into your strategy on some of the names reporting over like the next week to 2 weeks, right? I mean, Amazon is going to be a big name next week, but after what we've seen this week, kind of makes me more cautious, right? Especially because options are expensive. The stock is up a lot in a short period, and expectations are very, very high, right? Amazon's one, but there's plenty of others. And I'm sure you're familiar with a lot of the different stocks that have really rallied sharply or been bid up sharply because of perceived strength or perceived tailwinds from people staying at home, working from home, or even like ordering, right? So this is something we're seeing. It's early. Maybe this will change, but as of right now, like it seems as though like a pattern is developing where it's a lot of like sell the news. And if the stocks don't really get hit, they still seem to be moving quite a bit less than what the options are pricing in. So definitely, it's up on my radar. Kind of like a little bit of like a warning, cautious sign where possibly would have been looking at these like 2 weeks ago, but now after what I'm seeing already, I'm starting to get a little bit less interested. Maybe if they pull back, or maybe if we start to see volatility expand and the trading ranges expand, then potentially look at them. But for right now, that's the pattern that's developing. So I wanted to put that on your radar. Um, Again, this is some of these names are still like a week away, 2 weeks, 3 weeks away from reporting. So things can change, but if this week kind of dictated anything, it's that kind of have to be a little bit more cautious on these names that have really been bid up quite a bit into earnings. All right. So if you like these videos and you're looking for more information on options trading or option trades for earnings, right, or option education, please follow up the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Hope you guys have a safe night, a healthy night, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.